time on this. We've had almost 6 minutes of added time.
Neymar. Adesso però rientra in posizione regolare. Neymar.
Closed down by Rodriguez. But away from him now. Who's next?
Neymar.
Very susceptible at the other end. To feed off. It is Neymar. He is one-on-one. It's Neymar again. Absolutely brilliant.
World Cup Neymar, 3 goals and 5 assists.
Neymar goes on. Neymar still here. Across goal.
Palla al limite. Il tiro e rete. Brasile in vantaggio. Neymar rompe il digiuno.